Hi, Scott Murray, Level 5 Tools. I wanted to do a series of videos here just to give you an overview of our products individually so we can pick up some of the features and benefits. I've got Robby here just to help me make sure I don't forget anything. But, he and I have been at this for quite a long time, me 23 years. I ran the international business for one of our largest competitors back in the late 90s, early 2000s. Robby's been with me about 15 years. So we know these tools really well, know them inside and out. And we're all about finisher-driven production, innovation, and whatnot. We use finishers to help us get feedback and improve our products on an annual basis all the time. So I just wanted to take you through some of the current products that we're shipping because we have had some significant updates and upgrades over the years, particularly in this automatic taper. So let's start out with the automatic taper, since this seems to be one of the most important items in the whole, and one of the most complex items in the whole kit. So right out of the gate, I'll just tell you that we use an enormous amount of stainless steel, brass, and CNC machined cast aluminum and built aluminum pieces. So, one of the mysteries of this is, how do you produce? Well, we don't sit there and hand file pieces. We have 11 CNC machines that are running 24/7 to produce these things. So that gives us precision machining, and it just turns out a fantastic product. So the latest feature that we've put into our automatic taper is this easy clean head. That's a common feature on a lot of other competitive tools, but ours is very simple with one thumb screw. You just unscrew that, pop it out, and you've got access into the top area there where the cable drum is, so that you can clean that out easy. Just a really simple way to do that, and it works extremely well. I mean, we worked on this for probably better part of a year, back and forth, just to make sure that the machining was absolutely perfect, so that you don't have any leaks in that head. The other little thing that we did was this little bit on the inside with this clutch. Basically, these rust out, or I should say corrode over time, because typically they're made out of aluminum. We've made this out of stainless steel, so we're constantly thinking about any part that we see as a common wear part or something that deteriorates over time. We want to eliminate that. We want to put some stainless steel in there. We want to do something that helps us make a tool that's going to last longer and be far more robust for the finisher. So with that said, we've got the easy clean head now. One of the things we've always had is a beefed up drive dog on the side here. This is actually threaded into a stainless steel shaft. So you'll see some competitive models be thinner there. We beefed that up. This is made out of CNC machined aluminum again. But again, we did that for strength. We did that so that we have some little extra meat on the bone there. On our creaser, we've gone to a jeweler's chain. Gives you nice smooth operation on your creaser instead of having the old hand linked chain. Again, very, very high quality there. Stainless steel side plates on both sides of the taper head. Of course, stainless steel drive wheels. We've got stainless steel on the creaser arms. We've got a stainless steel arm here on our adjustable roller brake. And I'll just show you there, the adjustable roller brake, you can set that to the tension that you like, but when you take that off, you can just see the smooth operation of that head. Very smooth, precision machining. You don't get that without having CNC machining and precision bearings throughout that entire head. So again, we've got that stainless steel, so you can stainless steel creaser or stainless steel adjustable roller brake there. So again, you get the feel that you want. We've had an additional roller on the side here that follows the chain. That helps keep that chain off that side plate. So again, you get that nice smooth operation whenever you're running this on the wall, whether you're running it horizontally like this, where that chain could have a tendency to catch. It's going to run smooth in any position. We've got our adjustable cutter spring here, so you can adjust this up or down to your feel. Typically, you're going to run it in that full position, but some folks like to run it a little bit differently. We use these composite bands up and down. It makes the setup a lot easier, and these are made out of a very high impact nylon material. Again, you're getting a fantastic warranty with this product if it would ever break, but these are made out of the same material that are used on snow blowers and outdoor cold weather equipment. So we have no qualms with these being very, very strong and solid. Of course, we've got stainless steel across your cutter, your cutter rod there. We've got CNC billet aluminum, machined aluminum here. What do we call this bracket, Robby?
It's the extension arm bracket.
So extension arm bracket. We got CNC aluminum, and again, we're hard coat black anodizing that, give you additional corrosion resistance. We've got this removable grip ring here on your cutter sleeve. And again, we've used the traditional cutter wheels. We haven't gone to an enclosed wheel or anything like this. This is just the simplest design. And again, we take that finisher's feedback and we try to make the tool very simple, very easy to repair, easy to fix, and easy to maintain. So when you start doing a lot of hooey in this area, it can cause some additional problems. So we try to keep it simple so that it's going to give you a lot longer run life. We put this new tape roll keeper in here, basically spring loaded. Pop that out, put your tape roll on there, and then you're back in business. Again, this is all billet aluminum. Wherever you see that hard coat black anodizing, which we're using a lot more of, those are all billet aluminum pieces. We'll elaborate a little bit more on that hard coat black anodizing. On this level 5 taper, you notice this back plate is. This is the hardest, slickest anodizing that you can use. It's about 4 to 5 times more expensive than regular color anodizing. What it does is it gives us longer wear life, it gives us easier cleanability, and just extreme corrosion resistance. So again, another big upgrade up and down. You'll find with Level 5, we have the best customer service on earth. Our parts are almost half of what you'd see from competitors because we want you up and running all the time with all your tools. We don't want you to get taken to the cleaners every time you've got to buy a part. And again, we're putting together some videos that will show you how to do the basic repair and maintenance on these tools because we want you to be able to do that. Puts more money back in your pocket. So anything I missed on the taper, Robby?
No, I was going to have you explain the black anodizing, but you did that well.
Yep. So, again, even in the tape track in here, all stainless steel. So you'll find on this tool, yeah, the cable drum. Yeah, very good point. The cable drum, stainless steel as well. You'll see some that use composite or aluminum. And the reason this went to stainless steel is because that was a common corrosion part in some models that we'd seen previously. And that's a pain in the neck to change, and it's expensive to change. So we've made that out of stainless steel. The other thing is we went just a slotted screw in the top there. If you can zoom in there. A lot of folks use a little grub screw or an Allen head screw, fills with mud, and it's hard to get out of there. I mean, it's just, how many of those we have to drill out over the years? So having to drill that out, that's a real pain in the neck, and you normally damage the cable drum. So again, we work with finishers all over the world because it's like, what causes you headaches? Where have you seen the most issues with any brand of automatic tool out there? I will tell you that all the brands are really good. Everybody makes a very good product. We all have a little bit of differences in terms of how we approach the market. Our whole thing is finisher first, best warranty, best customer service, high reliability, and at the end of the day, we're the best price. So we're trying to provide that for the benefit of the finisher. So when you're looking at automatic tapers, consider all these things. You'll see a lot of CNC machining again in this whole tool to give you that precision finish that you need. So appreciate your time. Check us out on level5tools.com or Facebook, Instagram. Welcome to the Red Zone.